How to hide pages from menu in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can hide menu items from your Wix website or the menu bar or the horizontal menu that you're going to input into your website. The process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and you're going to see the admin dashboard or the dashboard of the website. Either you are going to be on the setup or the homepage, click on design site, and we're going to open up our website editor. Now, as you can see, we're going to have in this website on the header a menu or a horizontal menu. And also I have added another menu, which is going to be the principal menu here. So I do want to hide some menu items from here, and how we can do that. Basically, it is going to be very easy. We're not going to click on manage menu. No, we're going basically to head over the left side of the screen. We're going to find this bar, which is going to contain the control panels. Click on pages and menus. You're going to find that these menus or this particular horizontal menu is going to be mentioned here. So for example, I do have the unclickable and I want to hide it. How we can hide it? As you can see, we're going to find something that have a crossed eye here. That means that it is going to be hidden. So how we can hide any element or any item from the menu? By selecting the menu or selecting the item, click on three buttons or three dots here, which is going to mean let's say more options. Hide from menu, and you're going to hide it right away. If you want to unhide it, click on again, showing menu. You're going to do that for all of the elements that you're going to find here. For example, this is book online. Where is it? It is here. So I can go ahead and hide it just like that, or hide it in here. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.